Hi everyone, I'm back many years later because this is the next time that I was able to get the Trader Joe's mystery pack. Now it doesn't say 2018, but it's 2023. So just like before, it comes with 3 different reusable shopping bags that come from different areas. So let's see what we got. Thank you. Ooh, these are different. Oh no. It's a New York one. I don't have it though, so I guess I can't be mad. Okay, first bag is Washington, D.C. It's the White House. And it says here, shopping at Trader Joe's is a great economic stimulus package. I don't know why there's an eagle holding a fork though. But the bag has the same eagle, but now it has a can of beans. I didn't know that they were the bean state. This is a cool bag though. I've never seen it before. Abraham Lincoln myself. And on this side, it has some colorful horses. Pretty cool. I'm happy with this bag. Next bag is Michigan. Also got some cherries on it. The other one had cherries too. I guess Michigan is known for cherries and blueberries. On the back, it has a moose. And what does it say? Did you pick up flour to make the pasties? What is that? The owl. And a Trader Joe's bag. And on the sides, it has flour. And it has the carriage continue on there. And then it has writing on it. That was pretty nice. I would have never gotten these bags otherwise, I think. But why? Why does it have to have this bag in it? Oh well. Remy, come here. What did you think about the Trader Joe's bags? You approve? Is it Remy approved? Yeah! I forgot how much they were, but it's nice that they brought it around this time of year again. Anyways, thanks for watching.